So I guess I'll start off with where to record, which is on this desk. I use this white wooden surface, and this is my studio light, and you just turn it on, makes everything brighter. This is my crappy tripod. I ordered a new one, so it like falls over. I do store some other containers here just because I don't have the room right now in my regular setup, so there's just a bunch of containers here. So this is my main storage unit, I guess, for all my supplies. That's the whole thing. So I'll start on top. So here I have an assortment of different beads. I have sugar slime beads in the back. I have fishbowl slime beads in the front, as well as slushy beads over here. And then I have, I don't know why that glue is here, but this is some clear slime clearing up. Some empty containers. I think I have some Model Magic in a container back there. On this level I have some glue, shaving cream, lotion, stuff like that, borax bottle, cornstarch, all my pigments, or most of my pigments. In here I have a lot of glitter and other like small things. In here I have more pigments. Next level, we have my personal slimes that I play with myself or that are extra from batches or whatever for my restocks. These two containers, they're not normally here. They're slime smoothies that I didn't have a big enough container for, so they're just temporarily in yogurt containers for now. Here we have some foam beads that I haven't put into containers yet. Normally they go in a big thing like this. I'm actually trying to clear this one out because I need to buy more of these containers because I need more of them for slime. So I have some spare containers, and these are my receipts for when I ship out my packages. There's a bunch of them in here. Down here, this is like an extras box. Like if I ever get like review packages, I'll put the extras in here. A bunch of 8-ounce containers back there. This is actually nail polish in this, that, and that, because I don't have any other room for it. I don't really know where to put my squishies yet, so they're just in this bowl. This is my main mixing bowl. A bunch of fishbowl beads. And then at the bottom, more fishbowl beads, not in bags, like in individual bags. This is a neck pillow to get microfoam beads from, like that. A bunch of Model Magic, some foam beads that didn't fit into the bigger bags, more foam beads, more foam beads. That's a Uline catalog that I have yet to recycle. This is like, can't really do it with one hand, but it like stands up. And this is what I use to drain my bottles of glue. So you kind of just like put them facing down on there in front, on top of a bowl, and then it kind of drains them. And again, this is, I'm trying to empty this so I can store slime in it. That's just white foam beads. So yeah, that was my main unit of storage. So now we're downstairs, and this box is full of my bubble bags. This box is full of packing peanuts that I have yet to use for chewed up bubblegum slime. I have 2 boxes here full of bubble mailers in 2 different sizes. There's these for 2 or more slimes, and then there's smaller ones in that one for only 1 slime. Under this table I have some 4-ounce containers. The bigger box has containers with my logo already on it, and then this smaller box has no logos on it. And then here I have some clear glue. I have some more in a box somewhere else. I have to unload it. I have a random bag of large foam beads sitting around. I don't really know what to do with it yet. I might put it in my basement. Next to my packing station, I have this little box of odds and ends. I have some bubble mailers for 3 or more slimes. I have some plastic bags. I have some ink, some food coloring, business cards, bubble wrap. Did I already say bubble wrap? I don't know. I have another big thing of bubble wrap right here. And this is my table setup. This is where I put all my slimes when I'm ready to ship them. A really big restock this week. I have over 95 slimes right here. This is my printer. It is a Canon MG5220. Just some more labels and stuff. And some containers. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys like this video. Let me know what other kinds of videos you'd like to see, or if you liked this one. Yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.